Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, here on my Samsung Galaxy A02, okay, you can see the home screen. So okay, I have one home screen. And okay guys, to add home screen, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the screen. And now here you can see the home screen. And okay guys, I have one. And okay, to add the home screen, okay, scroll to the left and you can see the plus arrow sign here. And okay guys, you all have to do is click this to add the home screen. And okay guys, now, so okay, I have another screen. And okay guys, you can add again another screen. Okay, click again the plus sign. And okay guys, I have another one home screen here. Okay, to remove the screen, okay, click the trash icon on the top of the screen. And okay guys, now I have only one screen. And okay guys, to move the home screen to the first layer, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the home screen and slide to the left. And okay guys, now your create home screen is now on first layer. Okay guys, to add application on home screen, okay, select the application you want to add to your home screen. Okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the application. And okay guys, slide to the left to locate the home screen. And okay guys, now here in screen, and okay guys, select the position of the app. And okay guys, we have successfully create the home screen with application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to remove the application on home screen, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold. And now you can see the pop-up, and okay, you can see the remove at home screen. Okay, you'll have to do is click the icon or trash icon, remove to home screen. And okay guys, your application is removed to home screen. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.